Friends, hey everybody, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you and also show you how you can turn off birthday notifications on Facebook. Friends, please put your likes, write your comments after watching the video, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. And let's get to our topic today. And I'm going to show you how you can turn off your birthday notifications for other people, as well as other people's birthdays for yourself. So, please open up the Facebook application. Next, in order to turn off your birthday notifications for other people, please go to your page. Next, click on Edit. Scroll to the bottom and click Edit Info. Here you will be able to find the birthday section. Go to it. And as you can see, your birthday information can either be public or to your friends. If you want to disable these notifications, then select Just for Me for both your day and your year of birth. This way, people will not get notifications about your birthday. And now in the upper right-hand corner, click Save to save these changes. If you, on the other hand, would prefer not to receive notifications about anyone's birthdays yourself, then please go to the Menu section. Next, click on the gear in the upper right-hand corner and scroll down until you find the Notifications section. Click on it. Next here, you will also be able to find the Birthdays option. And you will need to click on this option here, Facebook Birthdays Notifications. Click Disable. And now you will not receive notifications about anyone's birthdays on your Facebook. Friends, these are the ways you can distinguish birthday notifications on Facebook. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful to you. Please put your likes, write comments, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.